Hey there everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I've been working on last couple weeks, and we made it through this hurricane okay. We just had a section of our screen down. We were so blessed. This has been a week. So yeah, we talk about a stressful week. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. I've got some videos planned and everything. So I just wanted to show you what I was working on before all of this happened. So here I have a necklace that I was working on. Now these two pieces here, I think they were called Coffee Jasper. They were from Sam's Bead box, I think about 4 or 5 months ago. And I didn't know what to do with them. And I just left them alone. And then of course, you know, I started doing this necklace and I'm like, oh, that would look good in there. So yeah, so I did that, and then I have the antique brass chain right there, and then this big stone here, and then I put this tiny little charm right there, and then these little, where are they at? These little things right here, I got those from the bargain bead box when I got that $50 coupon for winning their monthly contest. So, and then these were just some ones I had. The antique brass, I had built up a lot of that. So yeah, so I made this. This is really pretty. Kind of a chunky fall necklace, even though it seems like fall is like, people are already talking about Christmas already. So then I have this. This is all Czech glass. And this has got little copper daggers on it. And I have a little rose gold hematite spacers in it, and copper squares right there. I put a few little silver beads in there just for a pop, and the Hawaiian flowers right there, and copper spacers. And this is some, I think this is Jasper. Let me see here. I have this written down here. Red Jasper, yeah. And yeah, the Czech glass truck rounds, where are they at? Right here. So yeah, so I thought this turned out really pretty, and then I made these little charms on the ends with little leaf. So I thought that was really pretty. Then I have these really pretty earrings that I made, and I put these little dangles right here, and I put a little antique brass dangle. I used my metallic and gold 11 Miyuki seed beads, and this is a 2-hole bead right there. And then all I did was I strung let me get this, like I just took a piece of, like, you know, wire, like the beetle on. I don't yeah, so I just did like the beetle on, and then I just made the loop in through there to put the ear wire on, and then I had it coming through there, and then I just put the little dangles on the end. So looks really cute when they're on. I think they're so adorable. So I have these right here. Then I have this. This is, it's got the silver fire polish beads, and then these are hematite spacers in silver. I like the hematite because when I make these kind of memory wire bracelets and I use actual silver, it tarnishes really easy. It's just because silver tarnishes. And it's really hard to get in and clean these little spacers. So I kind of like to use the hematite for my spacers on these bracelets. So yeah, this is dyed agate, and then this is just ceramic right there, and then some little fire polish beads, and then some silver, silvery gray ones, and then some crystal bicones. But yeah, I think this turned out really pretty. It just, you know, it's just nice little statement bracelet. You know, kind of some cool colors mixed together in there. So we have that. Then I did a lapis bracelet here. It's got moonstone and lapis. So it's just really pretty. I love the way this one turned out. Then I have my dark cobalt blue rhinestone spacer beads that they really bring a pop in between there. And then I put a few of these little crystal bicones in a dark, like a wine color, berry color. I think these are from Bargain Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken. Probably from, I don't know when. I just remember getting those. Then I have just crystal bicones and just a bunch of stuff on here. Love the way this turned out too. And I have the little charms here that I made. So I got that. Then I have, I think this is Picture Jasper, if I'm not mistaken. And this is just a funky little animal print bracelet. There's Czech glass here. This is Jasper right here. And then I have the antique brass in there. And some little charms I made. I love this. This is a very rustic looking bracelet. And I have a little bit of the Levino Black Miyuki seed beads, crystal bicones, and I like the little antique brass square spacers in between. So yeah, so this is, I'll put this on. This is a really pretty cuff. I love this one. It's perfect for a fall day. Okay. And then, last but not least, I have this really pretty one. And I have some little, let me get these little earrings right here. And these were from Dollar Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken, these little things here. And then the fire polish beads were from Dollar Bead Box. And then I mixed a little bit, yeah, these were from Dollar Bead Box. I think mostly all of this, except for these little gold arrow spacers I used in between. I just mixed some different rustic greens together with the gold. And a few gold spacers, and then the bigger crystal bicones. This is so pretty. I love the way this turned out. Put this one on. Yeah, I just put these up in my Etsy store. They're really pretty. I mean, they're like the perfect little gifts for, you know, your wife or your friend, or just to say thank you to somebody. And so I decided to put them up for the holidays. So yeah, so this is just what I've been working on lately. I hope everybody's doing well. This has been a crazy month here. Hopefully we're getting back to normal here. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of everything and what you've been working on. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell below and hit the subscribe button, and the bell will notify you every time I upload a new video. So thank you for tuning into my channel. And below I will have links to my Etsy store, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Pinterest account if you want to follow me on there. And I hope you guys all have a great day. So I will see you soon on my next video.